I just got over $7,000 in the last 2 weeks. Less than 2 weeks actually, as you can see over here, look. Okay, so here I was running ads, Google pay-per-click ads as well. So the main reason I'm showing you is because this is the new account, new test, okay, on Clickbank. So basically I'm promoting digital products with a good enough upsell take rate, okay. So basically, as you can see over here, I did not run much of the ads on this day. So that's why I had over only $741. And if you're wondering, okay, how much is the profit? What is your ad spend? Look, basically, it's not every day the same. So usually it's like I'm getting 200%, even 400% return on ad spend. So basically I'm making double or triple, even quadruple my money back on ad spend. Why? Again, because I understand what offers I'm promoting, high quality offers, high quality products with great enough average order value. Meaning if you're spending $50 a day or $100 in a day, you should promote a product that's paying at least $300 in affiliate commissions. Meaning one person is going to buy entire affiliate funnel. They're going to buy front end product and then all the upsells and down sales. Okay, that's why you can have these kind of results really quickly once you work with someone one-on-one and step by step hand holding you along the way, so you know exactly, okay, what to do, what kind of offers to promote, and so on and so forth, right? So as you can see over here, the connection was a little bit low. You can see outside, right? But yeah, you can do it pretty much from anywhere in the world, right? All you need is basically just your Wi-Fi connection, laptop, right? As you can see over here, and you can make it happen, right? You can go anywhere in the world.